What if I told you that once, a car was built so powerful, that even Ford was shocked by it? A car that didn't just redefine American muscle, it rewrote the rules of the entire era. A car whose name still makes collectors' hearts race today. Yes, I'm talking about the legendary 1967 Shelby GT500. Carroll Shelby didn't just build this machine. He created it, with aggression in its lines, thunder in its exhaust, and a fearless attitude on the road. And in today's video, we're diving deep into this icon. Its design, its interior, its monster V8 engine, its legacy, and the hidden secrets that made it the most feared beast of the 60s. So buckle up, because what you're about to discover will change the way you see American muscle cars forever. Exterior design. The moment your eyes land on the 1967 Shelby GT500, one thing becomes clear. This is not an ordinary Mustang. Shelby added a long fiberglass hood, dual air scoops, and Cobra badging to turn Ford's pony car into a street warrior. The fastback shape gives it a muscular, aggressive presence. The dual headlights and wide stance declare one thing: this car was built to dominate the road. Interior. Inside the GT500, you won't find luxury, you'll find pure performance. A beautiful wood-rimmed steering wheel, rally-style gauges, and deep bucket seats remind you that this car was built for drivers, not passengers. Shelby's philosophy was simple: comfort is optional, power is not. Engine and performance. Now let's talk about the true heart of this beast. Under the hood of the GT500 sits the legendary 428 cubic inch Police Interceptor V8. Yes, the same engine used in high-speed police pursuit cars. Shelby tuned this engine to create a monster. Officially, it produced 355 horsepower. But unofficially, it pushed well over 400 horsepower. 0 to 60 in just 6.5 seconds. And a top speed of 130 plus mph. In 1967, this was absolute insanity. It wasn't just fast, it was dangerously fast for its time. But the real magic of the GT500 isn't just its performance, it's the legacy it left behind. Carroll Shelby proved that a Mustang could stand toe-to-toe with Corvettes, Camaros, and every muscle car of the era. Today, the 1967 GT500 is one of the most collectible and valuable American classics. At auctions, its prices often reach $200,000 to $400,000. And if it's the rare, Eleanor-style model, the value shoots into the millions. Bonus segment: Hidden Facts and Driving Experience. Now here are some hidden facts you probably didn't know. Many components of the 1967 GT500 were actually hand-built. Shelby's team was small, but their passion was huge. They tuned each engine individually to make sure every GT500 felt even more aggressive than the last. Its exhaust note is still ranked among the top 10 most iconic car sounds of all time. When you hit the accelerator, that deep growl isn't just noise, it's a warning that a Shelby is on the move. Driving the GT500 is a raw, thrilling experience. The steering is heavy, the clutch is tough. But once it hits a straight line, the 428 V8 throws you forward like a beast breaking its chains. In the end, the 1967 Shelby GT500 isn't just a car. It's the queen of American muscle. Its design, its history, its sound, and its raw power make it one of the most iconic classics ever built. If you love American muscle cars, then the GT500 definitely holds a special place in your heart. This was the full story of the legendary 1967 Shelby GT500. Stay tuned for more classics. And keep the passion for cars alive.